Hey, I'm Fish. I don't use the receiver and the Osmo Action 4 because it'll just slip out and fall out of the jack port. But I am going to be doing this test for you with the receiver. -2 of the receiver, that's what I always keep it on, and -1 dB of the transmitter, that's what I always keep it on, for my Sony ZV-1 Mark II at 7 dB gain. I am shooting with the Fuel-Aim X5 3 of 5 dB level. If I plug this in, it's nice and solid in there. I'm going to show you what I got. 0 dB. You want to stay tuned towards the end of the video when I switch over to the Bluetooth side, standalone only. What we're going to be doing in this test is simply making a video, -12 dB and +12 dB, which I already made. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. Can I hit the pair button to stop? This is a test plus 12 dB. Test 1, 2, 3. And stop. Now that you've seen the both video clips, you'll decide for yourself. Now I'm going to show you switching over from receiver side to Bluetooth side. It is a long press on the record, blue, removal, opening up and displaying the screen. -3 dB. The downside of the receiver, for me, it'll fall out of the jack port. I did my best to plug it in, like so. I accidentally hit the off button. I could sit here, and if I'm just vlogging, you don't want that to happen. Now, this is for my Sony. I don't need to have a receiver for the Action 4 or Action 3. You don't need the receiver to control the transmitter. All the receiver transmitter's settings are not going to raise and lower your gain. This cannot be on -12. Your gain control of the Osmo 4 must be on -12 to lower your sound. That is what I learned. If you want to increase your gain control, it all has to be in the camera only. If you want to increase or decrease, transmitter, not going to happen. This is just a microphone that you can set 32-bit float, low cut, internal recording, vibration, everything that you could do here, but dB level of a microphone. Oh, let me just bring this out here for you. I have no controls on this, which is the receiver, but I have all the controls on this that I can raise and lower the dB. And would the same thing be held true for this? No, only on that, yes. Have a great day. I hope you learned something. I'm done testing for today on the receiver.